Alright, welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. You're hanging out with your man T-Max, and in this video I will be taking you on a tour to my top 5 cryptocurrency platforms to earn cryptocurrencies, to earn passive income. And these are platforms I've invested in, and I just want to take you on a tour to actually see what has been working for me for the past couple of months and years. Let's just jump in and get started, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon so you don't miss other amazing videos I publish on the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram here at instagram.com/britschool, or even on YouTube on youtube.com/c/britschool, or also check me out on Telegram on t.me/britschool. I'm not really active on Instagram, but I'm majorly going to be active on just YouTube and Telegram. All right, so let's just jump in and get started. The first platform is called Beatsmart. Beatsmart it's a trading platform. So you see here, I just come here. If you check my assets, I could just show you my assets here. I don't have much here on Beatsmart for trading. I just have $161, and you can see the cryptocurrencies I've purchased. Majorly, I would usually deposit USDT because I trade with USDT here on Beatsmart, and I would just buy cryptocurrencies when they are low and sell when they are high. Basically, that's what I do here. You can see here for this Kishu, I bought Kishu with just $10. If you check my trades, you see I actually bought Kishu with just $10, and Kishu is worth $34. It actually rose to $57 day before yesterday, and I didn't sell because I still know it's going to rise higher than this. So I buy other cryptocurrencies. You see a couple of these cryptocurrencies, I bought like billions of them. You see Kishu, I bought like 21 billion of Kishu. I bought M content here, and I just buy a lot of cryptocurrencies here. When they appreciate, I sell, I swap back to USDT. That way I preserve the cryptocurrency in the stable coin USDT. So this is it. I'll just drop the link here for you to sign up on Beatsmart if it's something you're interested in. And if you want to actually get tips on which of the cryptocurrencies to buy that would rise, that have huge potentials to appreciate in the future, you could join the Telegram group. I always post what I'm doing with cryptocurrency, and also my YouTube channel, what I'm doing with cryptocurrency here. So majorly join this Telegram group. So that's it for Beatsmart. The link is below. If you want to sign up, you can sign up with my link. And let's jump into the second cryptocurrency platform. And secondly, it's Nexo. Nexo is quite like a crypto banking system. They allow you store your crypto. I remembered when I remember 2 years back, I was fortunate to stumble on a huge amount of TRX. You can see a TRX here. If we check coin market, TRX now it's what you can see. TRX is what 0.1045 at the moment. It has actually appreciated by 6.8%. I remembered, let me go back to 1 year. You see here, I got TRX at this point here. TRX was still 0.00, and I had over 40,000 TRX. Let's see how much 40,000 TRX is worth. Okay, let's just come here and check it out. How much 40,000 TRX is worth? I had 40,000 TRX. 40,000 TRX. 40,000 TRX is worth $4,000. Guys, you know what? I didn't save my TRX. I was just selling them, doing giveaways on my Telegram, and I didn't store my TRX. If I had stored my TRX here on Nexo, I should have had this amount. I would have had so much more, because here on Nexo they allow you to store your cryptocurrency. You can see I don't even have TRX anymore. I just have 500 TRX, but they allow you to store your cryptocurrency, and you earn interest every month, every day. Actually, your interest comes in every day for storing your cryptocurrency here. When you lock it up here using their lockup feature here, you get the interest for storing. So I love this because they allow you to store your cryptocurrency, you save your cryptocurrency, and you earn interest in the process. And they also give you credit lines. That means you can actually get credit, borrow money from Nexo. And the very amazing feature also, you could also join their referral program. Right here you see their referral program allows you to earn $10 for each person you invite on the platform. Let me just check it out for you here to see. You see I've invited 73 people, and each person you invite here, you see $10, and you can still invest this $10, and but actually there's a caveat here. The people you invite need to save cryptocurrencies worth $100 and more for you to actually earn that $10, and both of you actually will earn $10. For each friends that will top up $10 or $100 or more, you will both get $10 worth of BTC. Okay, so you see that's amazing. I love Nexo, and Nexo have really been amazing. I don't have much cryptocurrency here on Nexo. You just see I just have around $229 worth of crypto stored here, but I'm trying to store more of my cryptocurrency, transfer a couple of my cryptocurrencies from other wallets to Nexo so that I earn interest on my cryptocurrencies. So the third platform I'm going to be showing you here is Binance. Binance is a trading platform, and you could buy, sell, you could trade your cryptocurrencies in minutes. You can see it here, and they have a peer-to-peer trading system where that's what I love. And you could buy other cryptocurrencies, store them here, sell them. You know, it's so amazing. So I use them basically for my trades. I use them for my exchanges, I use them to exchange cryptocurrencies and to sell each time I need quick money, each time I need fiat currencies in my bank account. I just send my cryptocurrencies here and I sell. That is why I love Binance, and they have so many opportunities here. They have this if you come to their finance, you come here to their Binance, and you see so many solutions for you to earn dividends for your cryptocurrencies here on Binance. All right, so you can see the link here to sign up for Binance if you're interested in signing up for Binance. Now let's jump into the fourth platform. The fourth platform is BitByBlock. I joined BitByBlock almost a year back. You can see here I've joined them for over 11 months ago. I've earned when I joined them I invested just $47, but you can see how much I've earned now. I've earned over $946 here. The thing here, when you actually send some crypto or you send some funds here, you are going to be earning some money every single day, which you could use to block some nodes. The nodes, when they appreciate after a year, those nodes will generate what we call the BBB coin. The BBB coin, each of these nodes after a year, I have blocked over 2,090 nodes as at this time creating this video. And if you check, I receive over I think I receive around $6 every single day for holding 2,000 nodes. For blocking 2,000 nodes, I receive $6 every single day. And you can see here I've gotten referral income. You can also join the referral platform, so it's really amazing. BitByBlock is amazing, but know that each time you block a node, you would have to wait for a year before you sell your nodes here on the BitByBlock platform, which is on Waves.exchange. That's where you're going to sell your cryptocurrencies, your BBB coin. All right, so it's really amazing. It's a nice platform. I'll drop the link below for you to join the BitByBlock platform, also to start earning passive income with BitByBlock. So the fifth platform I'm going to be showing you here, it's Pi Network. I mean, if you have not been mining Pi, you're making a very big mistake. Pi Network project is really amazing. If you could just Google them online and go on YouTube and see what people are saying about Pi. It's like they have built an ecosystem where this token you keep mining on your phone, very easy. You click the link, somebody has to invite you to actually join the platform. You would have an earning team. You could always ping them to mine. You can see my team here. I have 76 members already mining. The people here you see here, they're mining. All these people are mining, and you would need to be coming every day to click this button here to keep mining. Every 24 hours you come and click the button on your phone to mine. So I will drop the link for you to actually sign up, and that should get you started on Pi, and you should start earning some Pi coin before they reach mainnet. They will soon reach mainnet, and once they reach mainnet, you'll be able to sell your Pi coin and exchange them for fiat currency or for other currencies. There are speculations around the web about how much one Pi will be worth. You can see I've mined over 6,000 Pi, and I've seen people with over 20,000 Pi, 50,000 Pi imagine this Pi gets launched or they hit mainnet, and after a year it's worth, just one of it is worth $100. Just one Pi is worth $100. Imagine how much you would have in your account. Okay, so don't miss this revolution. Jump on, click the link below, start mining Pi on your phone. And I have a bonus platform also for you to keep mining cryptocurrencies. The bonus platform here, it's called btcs.love. I'm going to drop the link below. These guys, you just need to click the link, this link here. Once you click the link, it brings you to this page. They allow you to download the app, and you put the app on your phone. All you need to do is keep mining and keep recruiting members using this recruit platform here. You have to be signed in to be able to use that. So once you click this place here, you will see you will have a recruit URL which you could use to invite people to mine. The more people you invite to mine, it will increase your hash rate and it will help you earn more BTCS and BTC at the same time. Okay, I've had people that have been able to mine over 0.3 BTC, which is worth over $16,000 already on this platform. So you could join the BTCS platform. All links are provided below for you to get started. So this is just a bonus. I said I was going to do 5, and I just hope this was helpful for you. This is what I do. I also have Trust Wallet. I do shit coins, but I didn't mention that now because I have to log into my phone to do that. Of course, I can do that through my MetaMask, but I don't want to go through that whole drama. I just wanted to do 5 of what works for me currently. Don't forget to join us at any of our social media platforms so you stay in loop with all the opportunities I keep publishing on these platforms. So have a great time and see you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.